Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to talk about our GeoBuddy Contact Guard add-on, which protects the contact fields of our GeoDirectory listings from bots and scrapers. So let's find out how we can use it. First of all, we need to install and activate this plugin on our GeoDirectory website setup, which I have already activated here. You can install and activate the GeoBuddy Contact Guard zip file by clicking on Add New Plugin and uploading it. As soon as you install and activate this GeoBuddy Contact Guard add-on, inside the GeoBuddy settings, you will see the Contact Guard settings where you can view the access control, reveal pop-up, button appearance settings. So let's find out how these settings work and how we can protect our GeoDirectory custom fields with our GeoBuddy Contact Guard add-on. Our GeoBuddy Contact Guard works with all GeoDirectory post types. We currently have a job post type in GeoDirectory. We will go into the settings in the custom field section where we will show you how to protect the phone number field, email, website, Twitter field, and Facebook field. We will show you how our GeoBuddy Contact Guard add-on works for all these fields. First, we will protect this phone number field, for which there is an enable contact guard checkbox setting in the field settings that we need to enable. You can also change the contact guard button label from here. We will save this and we will see on the front end of any listing that our phone number section is now hidden and appears as a show phone button, which when clicked will reveal the contact information. This is working for our logged in users. If you want it not to work for logged in users, we need to disable the guard for login user setting and save it so that the contact guard field will not be disabled for logged in users and their information will be visible immediately. If you look at this field for a logged out user, it will be disabled here for them and they will not be able to see what information is in the phone number field. And when a logged out user clicks on it, they will be required to log in before they can see the phone number field or the contact guard field. So we will now explain this setting. If you want a logged out user to be able to see it, or if you do not want to require a logged out user to log in, you need to disable this setting and save it. And then you will be able to see the contact field for logged out users as shown here. This means that a logged out user will not need to sign in and can see the contact information without logging in after disabling this setting. So now let's see how we can disable the email field through Contact Guard. We need to enable this checkbox and save it. And then we need to refresh here. Since our setting is disabled for logged in users, we will need to enable that. And both of our fields are now protected and clicking on them will show us the information. And for the button experience and appearance, we have provided settings so that you can choose the button's text color, background color, text hover color, and what the button background color should look like on hover. So you can change it from here as I will demonstrate. And the hover color, this one is and white, I think it's already there, that black and something is yellow. Now we will see the button experience. Our hover color, text color, and background color settings are all working according to how I saved them in the settings. If we want to change this text in the pop-up, we can change it from this setting via the pop-up title. Confirmation contact information pop-up, I have changed it from here. So now this. So now this has changed. So we can also manage the text of this pop-up through our settings. So this was the functionality of our contact guard that I explained to you. You can purchase our GeoBuddy add-on from our wpgeobuddy.com site, which is available in single site, 5 site, and unlimited site licenses. And you can also purchase our membership, which starts at $99 per year. And in that, you get 10 of our premium add-ons, including Contact Guard. And you also get all our future add-ons included in that. So use our GeoBuddy Contact Guard add-on and share your feedback with us. So that's all for today's video. We also provide directory website development and consultation services. If you want any help related to directory website, you can book our free 30-minute consultation call with our experts. Link is in the description. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you soon in next video.